go FS, Xauusd technical analysis starting from a monthly time frame. So this is monthly lower zone, this place is monthly lower zone, and this is monthly middle zone, this point, and above here is the monthly upper zone. So if you notice, starting from this monthly lower zone, the market push up here the first time, it couldn't break above. It came and tried the second time, it couldn't break above. Tried the third time, it couldn't break above this resistance. So on the fourth time, the price was able to break above this resistance, creating a new high. So where is this market going to now? This market is going to this upper zone, which is about 2,500 ounce. That's where this price is going. So currently now, what are we trying to achieve? We are trying to see how we can join this movement to this upper zone. So but for us to achieve that, we will need to go to a lower time frame below this 1 month monthly time frame. So let's go to weekly time frame for further analysis. So this is the weekly time frame. If you notice in the weekly time frame, the market is still in upper movement. We call it trending upwards. The market is still trending up. Okay. So look at this movement. The market moved to this place. This is another weekly resistance. The yellow bar here is the weekly resistance, while the yellow bar here is the weekly support. So this is weekly lower zone and this weekly upper zone. The market pushed up to this weekly upper zone, but it couldn't break it. The price came down to this weekly lower zone. But the buyers are at that territory. They push it up again to this weekly upper zone, but failed to break it this time around. The sellers then push it back to this weekly lower zone. On the third attempt, they push it, creating a pin bar, trying to force it down. But finally, the price was able to close above this weekly upper zone, signifying that this price is going where? To this monthly upper zone. So remember, we are trying to see how we can join this movement to get to this monthly upper zone. So let's go to daily time frame for further analysis. We are going to daily time frame. Sorry, this is 15 minutes time frame. Let me remove it. We don't need this time frame. We need daily time frame. We are moving to daily time frame for further look. So this daily time frame. You can notice the same movement. You can see the same movement. Let's start from this zone. The market move up here. That's that movement you are seeing in weekly. To break that resistance, it couldn't break it, creating a high. It come back here to create a higher low, and it move up again, creating a new high, which is higher than this previous high, which make it a higher high. And the market came down again to this low to touch this level of weekly support level, creating another low here, and the market move it up to create a higher high, higher than this previous high. So we have a new high here. What again do you expect? Exhaustion. The market came back for exhaustion, creating a daily support level. So now this place is our daily lower zone, and this place is our daily upper zone. So the market, on creating this daily lower zone, the buyers push the market up towards this daily upper zone. Currently, the sellers are very weak, but if you can see these two candles that close here Thursday and Friday, you notice that the sellers are exhausted already. So we are looking for how we can join this movement from this zone to drive this market up to this monthly upper zone. So now we will go to another time frame lower than this daily time frame, which is 4-hour time frame, for further look. Okay, so on a 4-hour time frame, we are seeing what? A push to the upside. Now let me analyze this 4-hour time frame for better understanding. The market, on touching here previously, created this low. After creating, it created a lower high, testing this place. It created another lower low. This is 4 hour time frame, and created another lower high, created another lower low, and created another lower high. But this time around, failed to create a lower low or even equal low, and rather the market reached here, got exhausted, and push up and break above this lower high, signifying a change in character. That to tell us that the 4 hour time frame has aligned itself with the bigger time frame, which tells us that the market is moving up. The bigger time frame, remember, in a monthly, the market is moving up. In the weekly time frame, the market is still moving up. And in a daily time frame, the market is doing what? Moving up. But in a 4 hour time frame, the market have recently changed character, signifying that end of this mini downtrend in a 4 hour downtrend. So we are now witnessing upper movement in this 4 hour time frame. So currently, market has come to test this level of broken resistance, which has now turned to support. If you can see this candle, this yellow bar is our weekly upper zone. That's our weekly upper zone that was broken. That is this yellow bar. And the price has come recently to test it. And now we are moving up to go and test that monthly upper zone. So now for us to enter this market, we'll go to another lower time frame, lower than 4 hour time frame, and find an entry around this region. So let me go to a lower time frame that is lower than 4 hour time frame. So this time around, we are going to 1 hour time frame, and this is 1 hour time frame. So look at what is happening in 1 hour time frame now. The market is already in uptrend. You can see how the market is rallying up, doing series of higher high and higher low. This is high, this is low, this is another high, this is another low, this is another higher high, this is another higher low. Testing this weekly upper zone, which that was so recently broken. Now look at this price action here. What can you notice here? This price action is called a morning star price action, signifying a change in direction. So immediately this market comes here to test this zone, the market snap up again, start moving up. So what are we trying to do now? We wait for this market to come back to this zone for our entry towards upper zone. Let me show you what I mean. This is what I mean. Want to buy this market currently at this price. We wait for this market. Potentially, this market might reach this level of resistance. If market open on Monday, the price might come to this level of resistance, but we will not join it. We wait for this market to come down to this zone. If this market come back to this zone, we will now wait for a price action, wait for bullish engulfing candle. When we see a bullish engulfing candle or a significant pin bar here, we will do what? We will now enter a buy here and rally this market to that monthly upper zone. So let me use our tool to mark it so that you will see it clearly how I will join this market. So look at it. We'll buy at this zone. We'll put our stop loss below this pin bar, and our target, this is our first level target, which will give us about 2.2% of our account. Meanwhile, we are going to that 2,500 ounce, that monthly upper zone, which we are targeting. Let me show you in the monthly zone. The monthly zone that we are targeting. You cannot see it clearly here. Okay, let me use weekly or daily. Let me use weekly or daily and see if you can see it. Okay, see this, see it here on a daily. Yeah, I hope you can see it now. So what we are targeting is about 3.7%. percent of our account. We are risking 1% to target about 3% of our account. So if you like what we are seeing in this channel, kindly share this content. Let it go viral. If you have not subscribed to this channel and this is your first time coming to us, please kindly subscribe to our channel, because we will be dropping this content every now and then, back to back. And if you have any comment, kindly drop it in our comment section. If you have any pair that you want me to analyze, kindly drop it there. See you in our next episode.